Hello, my friend. Have you seen this wedding machine? Flower wedding machine is very beautiful and it has a large capacity. You can see you can put a different size flower in the machine. You can upload the product details like this. Because not every customer knows the kind of flower, so they want to check. This will help the customer to buy those flower. We have a new function in our flower wedding machine, the pickup code. The customer just to take the pickup code from you and he can get a flower and they don't need to pay another money. And I can get the flower.